The cables linking a building's infrastructure may have to meet many requirements. Loose tube optical cables are designed to perfectly suit their environment. For example, they can be used in local networks to connect different buildings on a campus. CLT cables can be installed vertically as backbone cabling or horizontally. ACOME has developed a new range of dry waterproof loose tube optical cables. This range, CLT FIREPROTECT REINFORCED, has a new gel-free design for indoor and outdoor use. Waterproofing strands replace gel, which was messy and impractical. When it comes in contact with water, the strands release a substance which makes the cable perfectly waterproof. Since July 1, 2017, newly installed wires and cables have to comply with the European Construction Products Regulation (CPR). This classification system is called Euroclass. An improved CCA Euroclass category has now become the bare minimum. The new CLT FIREPROTECT REINFORCED cable complies fully with these regulations. The CLT cable is highly resistant and can withstand up to 3,000 newtons of force. The high number of glass yarns in the cable protects it against rodents. A standard cable with waterproofing gel coating requires the fiber to be cleaned. The dry structure of the CLT FIREPROTECT REINFORCED makes it quick and easy to install and reduces the risk of damaging the fiber during cleaning operations. The stripped cable can then be installed on the rack. The cable is easy to connect thanks to its flexible and kink-resistant tube. This range is available in 4 to 48 optical fibers, single mode and multi-mode, from OM2 to OM5.